It's that heat, boy.
Hey, how's it going? Thank you for stopping by, checking out my YouTube page, or checking out my YouTube channel. Looks like I created quite a buzz doing this unboxing on this guy here. This is the Dewalt DCW200. So, this video is going to be short and sweet. What it is, it's a tool hack. Alright, so you're going to see something real quick. Notice how this almost seems like this is in a downward pitched angle. It is. Why? Because this is on backwards. Notice how it says Dewalt. Well, I had to put it on upside down because this is actually upside down. So I want to show you something real quick. See those two clips right there? I got them on the top and the bottom. And what it does is it holds this on. Okay? So let me see this. So if you put it down like this, this is actually pitching slight. I mean, it's ever so slightly, right? But it's pitching a downward direction. So when you do put this on, if you are sanding a flat surface, it is putting a slight bend on this to come up. But remember, it's spring-loaded, so that's not a big deal. So you're thinking like, okay, Rick, who cares? Why are you showing us this? Well, if you had it the right way, the way it comes, you see how that comes up? See this decent sized lip versus how it's flat on the bottom? So this is supposed to be on the bottom. This is supposed to be on the top. You see that lip? Now here's what I'm talking about. So some people were skeptical when I did the unboxing on this. They're like, oh, you know, that's great, blah, 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 blah. I'll stay with my corded. Well, guess what, dude? If this tool is worth its weight in gold, I'm gonna do a full review on this, but I had to just do this video really quick. I mean, just because I started getting so many comments, people sending me messages on YouTube saying like trash talking this and saying that there's no way, and supposed that they tried it and they went back to a corded. First off, I think you're full of beep, because I tell you what, it took me forever just to even get it. Like, because I found out like 2 months before it even came out, and took me a long time to get it. So as soon as it was actually released, they had them on the shelves. I had them. So for someone to say I've had it that long, like, dude, I had it like days before it was just available when I put it to work. So I almost think it's just people, honestly, just trash talking on YouTube, and they don't even own the tool. So I got it. You see, it's all dirty, right? And I even cleaned it up, so you know I've been using it. I'm going to do a full review on this, but I had to just do this really quick and show you this. So take this off. Take your time taking this off. Use a flathead screwdriver and take this off. Take your time taking this off. If you bust this clip right here, it's not going to hold this on, and you're going to be pissed at me for trying this. So just take your time. Get one side off, kind of wiggle it. One side off, it'll come off. You know, and then put it on upside down. Flip it upside down. Okay. Stop drowning out. Why? All right. So you probably got a lot of different batteries in your tool bag. Here, I'm grabbing some right now. You got this little guy here. This is the Dewalt 20 Max 1.5 AH. Fits fine. Huge gap here. Let's take it off. Oh, there you go. I need to clean this since it was sticking. It has nothing to do with the sander. This thing was sticking for a reason. Alright, next guy. This is the 20 volt 3 AH. You know what it could be is it, see all that in there right there? In here? I need to blow that out. It's making contact and kind of sticking. So let's put this in. Fits. See? Clearance. No problem with the clearance, right? $20 volt 4 AH. Notice I just keep going thicker and thicker. Plenty clearance. Look at that. Fit my whole finger. Clearance. No problem. So, if you wanted to use any 3 of those batteries, that clearance here, that bump, right side up, you'd probably make it. Okay? But if you wanted to go with this guy, the 20 volt 6 AH 60 volt flex big daddy woo woo of all batteries, you can't. It doesn't fit. I tried. So with this hump facing the right side up, it doesn't give enough clearance, like I showed you with this one. You see that clearance we have? Okay, but that hump's on the bottom. So if that bump was right here, it's even a hard fit to fit this guy in here, the 4AH. And there's no way fitting a 60 volt flex. But guess what? If you flip it upside down, upside down, she fits. No problem. I had to do this just because too many people were talking smack. So I just got to clean it. It's got too much garbage in here. I got to take a blower and blow that out. You can see that's why it's sticking. Has nothing to do with the batteries. So look, I had to just do this quick tool hack and say you could use a 60 volt flex battery if you wanted to. You could use the 20 volt 4AH. You could use the 20 volt 3AH. You can even use a little guy, the 20 volt 1.5 AH. They'll all work. So if you want to go to a 4AH or bigger, you got to do this tool hack and flip this guy upside down. That's it. So I sanded the entire room. I'm going to do, like I said, a full review on it, how long the batteries last, etc., etc., etc. But to be honest with you, my go-to battery was this guy right here, the 3AH. Man, I have 4 of these batteries. I did like a whole wall on this battery. And I just tried a smaller batteries I really wanted to see because this battery is so damn heavy. Do I really need this battery? And honestly, I don't think I'm ever going to use a 60 volt flex. I could technically, if I really want to, put this bad boy right side up. But this is a real snug fit, so I'm just going to leave it like that. So with a 60 volt flex, you can do about damn near anything, and you got definitely a long time. So I tried with the little guy. I had some power, some juice. 3AH, battery of choice, the 4AH. Why was my battery of choice? I'm sorry, the battery of choice was my 3AH. Why was the battery of choice my 3AH? Because it didn't weigh so much. I was doing a ceiling, you know, and you're having that weight on your shoulder. And when I tried the bigger battery, it was just too heavy. Like, oh, you know. But the battery lasted a decent amount of time, plenty of power, and I get no complaints for the amount of sanding I did. If I did a whole wall or I did half an entire ceiling. And keep in mind when I'm saying that, I'm not the greatest tape or mudder, because the guy who does that for a living hardly needs any sanding at all. Me, it may look good after the fact, but I'm doing a hell of a lot more sanding than I'm supposed to be. So someone who actually, that's what they do for a living or is really good at mudding and taping, they could probably do a whole damn wall with one battery. You get it? So, if you're skeptical on buying this because you think, oh, people are saying, taking smack, saying there's no way it's going to have power or the batteries aren't going to last, I bet they don't even have it. They're just talking smack. I can't believe how many people do these YouTube reviews. They don't even own the product. How do you talk about something you don't have? So look, I have it. See all the dirt and grime? That's how the battery got stuck and I couldn't get it off? Proved I put this damn tool to work. So my review is, if you if you got any sanding to do and you're tired of hauling around a cord or tripping on a cord or climbing up a ladder, whatever, screw that. I'm done. I will never own another sander with a cord. Our technology has reached that level. Our batteries are that kick-ass enough that we just don't need them. So take this, take your time, get a small flathead, flip it upside down, and guess what? This thing filled up plenty. No restrictions, airflow, nothing. Because, like I said, it has plenty of flex anyways. So it's not hindering it from catching what it's supposed to doing. You're not altering the tool in a way that you can avoid a manufacturer's warranty. You're not altering it in a way that it's it's not performing the way it's designed to. But what you are doing is you're altering in a way that you have more clearance to put a bigger battery in the event that you need it to do so. So on a ceiling, I would stay with the smallest batteries I can because I just don't want the weight. If I was doing something like a larger scale project, or if I was doing something flat in front of me, or something flat like doing something like this, who cares how big the battery is? You're not carrying the weight of it. It's just laying flat on what you're sanding anyways, like kind of one of these deals. But if you're doing a ceiling, 3/8 is all you need. That's it. So I just had to put the rest of these comments that people are starting to leave on YouTube. To be honest with you, I was searching for this tool. As of right now, I'm the only person that I know of on YouTube that even has this tool, let alone done a review on it. So this is just a quick tool hack, okay? In this comments a little bit later, I'm going to do another review. I'm going to show you what I've done. I'm going to show you the room. I'm going to give you the actual, tell you exactly how long this one lasted, 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 and the update. And then I'm going to weigh them and see what this weighs. So then you make the decision, realistically, what you want to do. Because this is probably not going to come with the battery. It's a tool-only option. So depending on what batteries you have already, make a decision. But like I said, here's my go-to right here. Thanks for watching. God bless. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you didn't see the video for the actual unboxing of this, which came with everything it came with, I'll put a link in the description as well. You can watch that, and then go ahead and click on that bell so you get notifications when I upload any new videos. And I will upload a video of a full review of this guy right here, what I think of it, and like I said, just the performance of it. And I'm going to show you what I've done with it. So I just had to put the rest. I don't want to beat a dead horse, but it's pissing me off that these guys on here were making these comments, and I think they're just full of BS, that they probably don't even own the tool. They're just hating on Dewalt or hating on me, one of the two. So, and then you may think their opinion's true. It's not. So flip that bad boy upside down, put you a bigger battery, you're good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching. God bless.